So yeah, it's a bit distorted, isn't it? No, okay. Well, let's do a little session looking at live controlling loop, whatever, or pool, sorry, whatever we want to. I think it's one of the things that's really interesting to be able to control everything you wanna, work with in this program, to also be able to grab control of, and not just with a mouse, because that's really not enough. I mean, it's never enough, but anyway, so we set up the pool, and we take two acts where you load the sample in. I got some samples from something I recorded with someone who was playing contra alto clarinet. And that's even lower than a bass clarinet. Anyway, I'm gonna load it into let's do one here, do one there. I want a 6. Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do with this Nano control, I'm going to set it up. I'm going to dip out for a sec because I need a control ad. Forgot about that. Yeah, so there's the control ad, and see what's happening. I can choose probably straight here, yes. And then Nano, okay, and then we click the router open. And then, well, as you can see, we have loads of choices. We got the faders and the knobs, and well, whatever it is, how we want to do it, we do it. I mean, and then we have buttons, and everything is sending out MIDI signals. So maybe the buttons I can do for switching on off the sound, or I can use one of the buttons to to go through the presets by just punching it in. And then the knobs and faders using for as you can see, it's coming in. When I was working with Geosonics, that's something I want to grab live, and then you have to think about what is a good layout, what is a good, because very soon you're gonna be, well, suppose you have 4 faders, 4 knobs for just a GG, and then the other 4 for the KK. Let's suggest that. Okay, so I was working on this one. Then I'll also need to. I'm going to do just on one channel, because I need to, if I want to send MIDI out on different channels, then I have to program the NanoControl also within it. You have an app, you can choose which fader or knob or button goes where or sends out on what MIDI channel. That's something that you have to do then also in advance. So I'm looking for a few things to do here. Oh, yeah, we're going to be very nice and slow. So, well, yeah, I'm just going to show you then. I want to have a start related thing. Here it is. And it's, let's see. Oh, well, is he off the scale? I don't know. What was that? 6? Yeah. 6. Start. There she is. Yeah. You want to hear how that's going? Watch this. Okay. Do that, huh? Wow, that's nice. Lovely. Okay. Then I use the knob just above the fader, the first fader. I use it for length related. Let's do that. So you click in the Rainer here, and then we do length related. It's here. Yep. And then we can do okay. Yeah. Of course you are going to be yeah. Alright, so then in the next fader I'm going to use no way, why are you the same? Are you kidding me? Oh wow. That's weird. Oh, I need to... What? Are you kidding me? That's weird. Okay, so for some reason I got two things of the same one here. That's nice. Way to go, Hank. Yeah! So, okay, well then I use this one for, let's say, grain length. Yeah, alright, so that's the GG Rainer. And I do the grain length. Here it is. Let me see where is the... I don't see the grain length. Okay, so you see it's not enough. One is not enough. Ah, there we are. So 52. Probably we go to... Yeah. You go a bit higher in the amount section. Alright, I feel I'm desperately in need of doing the pitch. Oh, look, he's oh, he's a bit, huh? Oh wow, 30, yeah, that's a bit too much. Yeah. Okay, which one is this? What can we do with this one? Oh yeah, we do the randomize, and that's nice as well. Here. Random slider. No, not the slider. That's that one. No, I don't want him. I want to have the pitch randomizer. Pitch slider, pitch randomness. Alright, there we go. It depends on whether you like working with faders or knobs. I don't know, it's nothing there. Man. Already I don't know what knob is doing what. That's really weird that two faders doing the same thing. The pitch randomness should go to 3 for maximum effect. 1, 2, 3. Oh well. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Yeah. I'm gonna get a bit louder, and I mean, I'll be back to you later. What's he doing? Yeah, that's him. And what is he doing? Oh, that's the same as well. The NanoControl. Wow. What the hell? No, we got big congestion. You see, after we stop. Well, what else can we fuck up? Yeah, the thing with the faders and the knobs is like I feel I have a little bit more subtle control, if I can refer to it as such, with the knobs than with the faders. And it especially has to do with well, overall you can do this, right? But if it comes to being a bit precise, then I feel I have more control with the knob. Usually, you see the last bit here is like, whoop, we just jump to 0 instead of what happens to that other bit there that is still available. Also here, look, I want to just a little bit more control there. Well, okay. Okay, well, I will have a look at the Nano, and then I'll split them in two, and then see what happens with doing a duo with the KK. Gonna be fun. So I split the Nano editor. Yeah, I mean the control Nano 2. Control 2. Oh, man. Anyway, I split it with the editor, and so I got 4 sending out at channel 1. You can see here, and then 5 to 8 in channel 2, and I opened another control app. One is receiving on Midi channel 1 and the other on 2, so you can see one stays quiet, and here you can see number 6 is coming in. So I'm gonna quickly do him on the KK, and we're gonna do start related there. I think KK is slightly different and start related value. Yeah, you can see, it's a very low number, whereas with the GG Rainer, the start related is really like 1, 0 to 1, and here I really need to punch in a bigger number, let's say 100. And now it's all sort of like all over the place. I even have some extra space. Alright, and I'm going to take the knob just above it. Do that, the length related thing. I mean, I bet there's stuff out there. Oh, sorry, no, well, you can do forces. What are we doing? Alright. Yeah. Length related, I have no idea how much she needs. Also here, right? A bigger, we need a bigger number. Yeah, also it's a bit crude, sort of like before you know it you're okay. Well, we have another fader here. We're gonna do KK has this interesting division between grain length and grain variation. That is these two things. If I do the grain length on this one, yeah, he also needs a bigger. That's all right. And then we need okay, we take him. We say grain. What was it? Variation length. Come on. Yeah, variation. Then we need yeah. There's a, I don't know, yeah. So you have the variation here and then the position, yeah. Yeah, well, then okay, then we have another one. We do what? You can do the voices, and on top of that, I'll do the how many voices are there? 50, I think. Let's see. That we do the pitch, I think. Yeah, why not? Yeah, well, what happened there, huh? Yeah. Sorry. Come on there. Come on, babe. Get into the action. Is it too loud? What happened to him? Ah, the pitch. one or two knobs just to kill everything. So with the voices you can do that. Up, that's gone. And the GG Rainer can do the gain off. Wait, not here. Okay, well that's so far for today. I'm gonna think about something. Ciao.